me hear about this yoga, it sound quite nice. Fi stretch out my body and clear out my mind. Plus the ladies, them flexible. What a sight, so me sign up fi class on a bright Monday night. Walk in with me dreads and me confident smile. Ready fi impress them with me Rasta style. The teacher said don't worry dog, everybody bend. But what happened next me couldn't comprehend. The sound start to ripple across the whole room. Like thunder from heaven it bring pure gloom. Me never expect this kind of meditation. The gas liberation cross the whole nation. Yoga class them a nasty. Them a pass gas, them a nasty. Come fi relax and a pure vibe. But the way things a look me left with a pink eye. Yoga class them a nasty. Them a pass gas so nasty. Come fi relax and a clear sense. But the room full of wicked bad stench. The smell hit me nose like a freight train crash. Me nearly dropped down on the floor in a flash. One lady in front let out one silent but deadly. Me eyes start water, me breathing unsteady. The teacher said breathe deep, but that a big mistake. Every inhale me take make me belly ache. The man next to me in a warrior to position. Let loose one so loud it deserve recognition. Me try to hold my breath but how long me can last. The yoga session turned the whole room full of gas. Me grab my mat and dash towards the door. This Rasta man can't take the nasty funk no more. Yoga class, them a nasty. Them a pass gas, them a nasty. Come fi relax and a pure vibe. But the way things a look me left with a pink eye. Yoga class, them a nasty. Them a pass gas so nasty. Come fi relax and a clear sense. But the room full of wicked bad stench. Lord have mercy, the smell a kill me dead. The funk so strong it mash up me head. Me come for yoga but end up in a gas station. This whole situation appear sufferation. From the smell alone, me know them dinner menu. Beans and cheese from the lady in blue. The man in the corner had spicy jerk chicken. And someone else had garlic, me know still ticking. The teacher breakfast was eggs, no doubt about that. And someone had cabbage, me can't smell it flat. Me come to stretch but instead become food critics. Sampling everybody meal through ear so thick. Them a pass gas, them a nasty. Come fi relax and a pure vibe. But the way things a look me left with a pink eye. Yoga class, them a nasty. Them a pass gas so nasty. Come fi relax and a clear sense. But the room full of wicked bad stench.